Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time with Jewel by Deborah. So today is the 1st June clearance sale. This is going to be vintage to now. There are a lot of pieces you have not seen. And how we do this is you're going to claim by number in the video. So what I'll do is I'll show you a piece, give you some information, and then you will give me the number and you'll put it right down here in the comment section. I will keep a completed sold list. If items do come in overnight, I will check it in the morning. And then also if someone else has already claimed it, I will let you know. I'll let you know that it already sold. I do go by timestamps to make it fair for everybody. All right, so let's get started. All right, so this is a new piece. This is a Strata watch. It just needs a battery. It's brand new. It is super pretty. It measures at about 6.5 inches. Really nice. This is a good resale piece. Number one, we'll do that for $5. Okay, number two is J. Crew. Yes, there is a J. Crew in this piece. Let me get it out of its bag. So the bag will come with it. It has rhinestones and acrylic or lucite chain here. It is in excellent condition. It is a really nice piece. So J. Crew is number two. We'll do that for $8. Okay, number three is a lovely vintage brooch. It is a butterfly. This is some kind of an acrylic. It is gold tone. No maker's mark, but it is a beautiful piece. That is number three. We will go ahead and do that for $5. Okay, number four is a set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glass stretchy bracelets. Really pretty. Love the colors. This is number 4. We'll go ahead and do that for $5. Okay. Number 5 is a vintage brooch. It is gold tone, like a washed gold tone. It does have some issues back here, but no one's going to see that. Definitely could use a little wipe down. It is a really cool piece. That is number 5. I'm going to do it for $5. All right. Number 6 is a set. So this is a necklace with enamel. I'm going to move you guys up a little bit. So this has enamel and shell and mixed beads. And it does come with a pair of clip-on earrings. Really pretty. This is number 6. We're going to do that for $5. Number 7 is a really adorable bee bracelet. It does have some stickiness on here from the stickers, so you'll need to remove that. That is number 7. I'm going to do that for $3. Number 8 is a Banana Republic necklace. This does have a little bit of wear right here. I want you to see that. It is an acrylic. It does not open. No, it does not open. It is a long pendant necklace. Number 8. We'll do that for $3. All right, let's do a stretch bracelet. Oh, it's hung up here. This is really gorgeous. Look at this. So this is a faux pearl, and these are, let me tap it. Those are glass. Isn't that beautiful? It has all of its stones. That is number 9. We're going to do that for $3. Okay, number 10 is a loft necklace. It is silver tone. Definitely needs some cleanup. It is a station necklace, so you have your stations here with glass, and then another set of stations here. It is a really nice loft necklace. I'm going to clear that out for $3. Number 2. Number 11. All right. Number 11 is going to be $10. This is beaded with a peacock print. It's got metal. And then these are agates. Let me bring that up so you can see it. And you can see this stone right there. So this is a gorgeous agate necklace. This is number 11. We will go ahead and do that for $10. All right, moving on to number 12. so this is a long necklace, gold tone. Comes down here to a piece of dyed howlite. This is acrylics, and it's got a little tassel. It's a really pretty necklace. That is number 12. Go ahead and do that for $3. So pretty. Number 13 is a necklace. So these are all acrylic, but it's interesting. I like this one. There's no maker's mark on this, and this is a newer piece. And it's got this large piece here. It is silver tone. Let's see, is that glass or acrylic? That is acrylic. Number 13, we're going to do that for $2. Okay, number 14 is another piece that has a silver tone with enamel. These are acrylic necklace. Really pretty. There is the back. That is number 14. We're going to do that for $2. Number 15 is gorgeous. Look at these beads. Oh my gosh, these beads are phenomenal. There is some wear here on your chain. The cones are beautiful and the beads are luscious. I love this color. This is number 15. Go ahead and do that for $3. Number 16 is a stretch glass. Aurora Borealis bracelet, number 16. We will go ahead and do that for $2. Number 17 is gorgeous. So this is gold tone. Let me get a measurement here. So about 6.5 best. It is gold tone with rhinestones. Really pretty bracelet, hinge back. Number 17, we're going to do that for $3. Number 18 is another set. This has earrings. I attached them here. They are clip-on earrings. Enamel. Kind of looks like that other one. It is in a silver tone. We will go ahead and do number 18 for $2. Alright. Number 19. These are smaller. They don't stretch very much. Let me see what they fit on the bracelet mandrel. Okay, so it's about 6 3/4. They can most likely go to about a 7 1/4, but look at these. Are these not phenomenal? So these are Aurora Borealis. You're getting the set of 4 for $5. Number 20 is a fun necklace. So this is beaded. Let me bring that up so you can see it. Really pretty gold tone necklace. No maker's mark on this. This is number 20. We'll go ahead and do that for $3. Alright, number 21, we've shown this before. It is glass. It is a cranberry glass with beads and bronze colored. It is marked. This one is Aaliyah Sophia. Number 21, we'll do that for $3. Number 22 is a multi-strand. Here is your chain, and it hangs like this. Really pretty. These are all acrylic, so this is a brown, an aqua, and a clear. Really beautiful. Number 22 we'll do for $3. 23 is pretty. It is a toggle. The chain is darkened, but it is like a copper, and it has a glass heart on it. Really beautiful necklace. Number 23, we'll do that for $2. Number 24 is awesome. I've shown this before. So we have rhinestones, silver tone, gun or chain metal, chainmail. Really pretty fun necklace. This is number 24. I'm going to clear that out for $3. Trying to get you guys some good deals, some summer deals. All right, number 25 is a gorgeous enamel brooch. It's a woman with her dog, and it is rhinestoned. Here is the back. This is number 25. We'll do that for $3. 26 is really cool. This is a lipstick case, you guys. So you put your lipstick there. There's a mirror there. It is really neat. It's got a little bit of condition issues there, but just a cute, cute piece. We can go ahead and do number 26 for $3. Number 27 is a bangle. It sits at an 8. It is silver or gold tone with rhinestones. Really a pretty piece. Number 27, we're going to do that for $2. Number 28 is an Alex and Ani Guardian Angel adjustable bracelet. Does need a little cleanup, and these do clean up very well. It is a beautiful Guardian Angel bracelet. We'll go ahead and clear that out for $1. So number 28 was $1. Number 29 is cool. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this piece. So it is a toggle, but look, it's got a whole bunch of words on it. Let's see what it says. I mark the hours every one, nor have yet something. But it is like a gyroscope. Is that not cool? Love it. And then it's got a little hourglass on it. So this is number 29. We'll do that for $4. I wanted to pull out some different pieces you guys have not seen. So this is a stretch, but look at those beads. Are they not phenomenal? I love it. Look at that with the roses. This is number 30. We will go ahead and do that for $3. Number 31 is a silver tone and glass rhinestones and excuse me guys, glass bracelet. It is a Pandora style. It is sitting at about a 7 1/4. You could make it up to a, well, it's sitting at a 7. It could go up to a 7 1/4, or you could go down on it. That is really beautiful. All the stones are there. Number 31 we'll do for $3. 32 is a pair of earrings. Let me lay these out. So they are a gold tone red rhinestone earring. Really adorable. Number 32 we'll do for $2. Alright, let me get to my next tray. Alright. Trying to find the pair to that earring. Where did it go? Okay, here we go. We've got a pair of turquoise and blue gold tone earrings. The wire needs some cleanup. Number 33, we'll do that for $2. Number 34 is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stretchy faux pearl bracelets. We'll go ahead and do those for $3. Number 34. Number 35 is a cute stretchy little ring. Show you that. It's rhinestone, faux pearl. Can stretch up to about a 9 1/2. It naturally falls around a 6 1/4. Really adorable. Number 35, we'll do that for $2. Number 36 is a gorgeous rhinestone and blue enamel fox brooch. Can also be a pendant. That is number 36. We're going to do that for $3. Number 37 is a fun pair of hoops. These are in a gunmetal and they have AB stones. These are about 3 inches. Let me find Sock Monkey. Get you guys a measurement. Okay, they're about 2.5 inches. So number 37, we'll go ahead and clear these out for $1. 38 is a pair of heavy rhinestone earrings, peach and gold tone. They are not marked. They are J. Crew-esque. Really pretty. These are number 38. We'll do those for $2. Whoops, I'm dropping my numbers. Number 39. Let's grab another tray here. Here is another really pretty bracelet. It is silver tone. It is a toggle. Let's go ahead and close that up and get that on the bracelet mandrel so we can get you an idea. With all the beads, it makes it smaller. So it is at a 6 1/2. So that is number 39. It's heavy. We can go ahead and do that for $3. And the last one for this video, because I'm going to be doing a part 2 really soon, let's do a cute bracelet. This is adjustable. It is in a rose gold. Oh, it is marked. I'm not sure if that's the juicy mark or not. It's got a little rhinestone on it. This is a suede. It is number 40, and we are going to do this one for $3. All right, so don't forget, you claim down in the comment section. All you need to do is comment the number, and I will go back and check as they come in. I will reply to your message, okay, got it, gotcha. If it has already sold, I will let you know that it has sold, and I will keep a completed sold listing there. So, all right, you guys, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And as always, be well and take care of each other. And I'll see you on part 2, which is coming up real soon. Bye, you guys.